It's June the 18th, and we're 22.5 miles from Elliston here in a beautiful meadow. That's the beautiful meadow. Having a great time. We haven't seen another hiker the entire way. There's not a footprint on the trail. There's no evidence that anybody's been along here at all this year. So we're really enjoying that aspect of things, although it's fun to run into people on the trail. It's also nice to have a whole section of national forest in Montana all to yourself. There's no bear sign at all anywhere, which is okay, I guess. I mean, it's nice not to see big grizzlies coming our way, but on the other hand, I wouldn't mind seeing a grizzly. I guess fate will tell. There's my wife, Karen. What do you have to say, darling?
Not anything new.
Nothing new.
Nothing new.
Nothing new. So we're going to try to do 15 today like we always do, and we'll probably do 13 today like we always do. Elliston is, as I mentioned, 22.5, so we'll get there tomorrow, and then Sunday there's a chance of rain, so we may hang out camped in the backyard of the bar in Elliston for a day of rest and of not bar hopping, because there's only one bar in Elliston, but sitting in the bar. So unless you have anything to add.
I just woke up. I can't even see.
She can't even see, and she just woke up. So see you later down the trail. Yeah, it really is. Pardon?
I hear water.
I do too. There got to be water down there. Hopefully, we passed up water in the lake a mile and a half ago because Godhook said there will be more streams. There better be, or we're going to have a super thirsty 24 hours. Here's our first pile of bear poo. Walking through an area that's been cut all to pieces. I wonder if they didn't cut a fire lane here, because they've just taken the trees and piled them up in giant piles. But there's a pretty broad cut, maybe a quarter of a mile, so wouldn't surprise me if it was a fire line. Sure is ugly. Got about 12 miles to go. 5 miles on this road and then some more on a road or on a trail. We've got about 11 miles to go to Elliston. 4 of it's going to be on this road, which is nice because there won't be any blowdowns on this road. We've struggled through a bunch more today. So after 4, we hit the trail again. We'll get close to Elliston tonight and go in tomorrow. About a mile and a half from the 15-mile mark today. Feeling pretty fit. Better than we were before when we started. I thought that's what he would do. Well, obviously the reason for all the blowdown problems is beetle kill. They really have it here. As you look across these hillsides, there are more dead trees than live. And they're falling and falling and falling. So we're about 8.5 miles above Elliston, or McDonald Pass, where we'll hitchhike from to Elliston. We'll get up late in the morning and walk down there. It'll be lovely.